Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Qatar. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Qatar into the search bar or just click the link below and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Qatar. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. The process may be different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow the instructions on the exchange website. And thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you buy Bitcoin in Qatar, and make sure to click the link below to see an updated list of the best exchanges in Qatar. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy, link below. And that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.